Hello, my dear students of intermediate first year. How are you? I hope you are well. I today I want to describe. At first, I want to recite a poem. The name of the poem is "The Traffic Police." There is no individual poet of this poem. That's why I did not mention the name of the poem. The traffic police is a very common figure in any place of the world. They have a great contribution in the society. We know about the traffic police in various top page of the books and various signboards beside the river, and we observe that in this pictures the traffic police directs the people, teaches the people, passengers, the right way, on the right way or right path of traveling. Now I want to recite this poem. Amidst clear speeds I stand, facing the traffic, stretching my hand. I am seen on kids' books and as cartoons everywhere, educating people and asking them to beware of the erratic traffic and the signposts seen on almost all the roads. The traffic police is here, a speaker of this poem. He himself that the people see him in the amidst clear speeds, where the traffic police stands and face various traffics, stretching their hands. He is seen on kids' books, children's books, as cartoons, every place of this world. And he educates the people and urges the people to beware of the erratic traffic. Erratic means uncertain, and the signboards seen on almost in all the roads. Next, so that you are safe, I see is one of you, but my sweat, my plight on the road sees who? He wants to say that he is engaged, he is devoted to save the people, the general people. And he has to see is one of the people, but his sweat, but his risks, but his commitment was very high. Nobody sees his sweat, but he is always devoted to the general people on the road. Be it sunny or rainy, for your safety I must be vigile and agile on the middle, standing erect as big as a fiddle. Be it sunny or rainy, very rough day, which is sunny or rainy, he or this traffic police is devoted for the safety, and he must be vigilant, he must be conscious, he must be agile, means he must be active on the middle position of the road, standing erect in a fit position. Oh, my ear burst. Oh, my ear hurts. Oh, my head aches. Oh, look at the weather, such unpredictable days. But I cannot swear. I must be on duty. I care for your safety. For his responsibility, he has to face various difficulties. His ear is hurt, his head is ached, and he became very anxious for the unpredictable days. But he has to abide by the discipline. He must show his duty and responsibility for the safety of the passengers. But I cannot swear. He cannot flee out from his duty. And he says, I must be on duty. He must engage his duty, and he considered that without this duty, the danger will come, the difficulties will come for the safety of the general people. Be it noisy or dusty, be it sunny or rainy, I must be on duty. I care for your safety. He wants to say the noisy day or the dusty day, the sunny day or the rainy day, any type of day, he has to abide by his duties and responsibility. Duty and responsibility is his only works, and he cannot disobey his duties and responsibility. And from morning to evening or evening to deep night, he has to engage his duties. This poem is actually the hazards a traffic police undergoes carrying out his duties and responsibilities. Find a beautiful expression in the poem. A responsible traffic police cares for nothing else but the security of the people moving on the roads. He is shown not bothering at all about his personal security and comfort. My dear student, you should read the poem very attentively, line by line, and you should the meaning of the words. Suppose amidst. Amidst is a preposition. Preposition here. Amidst means in, into, among, amongst, at. In, into, among, or amongst. This is this I understand that at an interval of. It also means between, within, beneath, etc. Stressing, extending. Kid. Kid means child, cartoon, animated or design. Graph, sketch, erratic, whimsical. Sweat, sweat, vapor. Plight, commitment. Vigil, awakening. Agile, active. Erect, standing. Fit, worthy. Okay, my dear student, you will read the poem and you will make a theme. Thank you very much.